Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by saving the short to your device so you can upload it to WhatsApp. Open the short, tap share and save if available, or record your screen at a 9:16 ratio to preserve framing. Once saved, open your gallery and trim the clip down. Make sure it's between 15 and 30 seconds for best status engagement. This reduces re-encoding and avoids cropping issues later. Now that the file is ready, move to preparing the file format and size for WhatsApp. Next, you format and edit the saved short so it looks native in WhatsApp. Open any basic video editor, set the canvas to 9:16 and export at 1080 x 1920 pixels. This preserves vertical framing. Once done, compress the file smartly so it stays under WhatsApp's upload comfort zone. Aim for under 16 megabytes, but avoid heavy quality loss. Add captions if sound won't play. This ensures the short displays crisply. And finally, upload the prepared short as your WhatsApp status. Open WhatsApp, tap Status, then My Status and choose your edited clip. Add stickers or text if needed, then post. If the upload fails, switch to Wi-Fi, restart WhatsApp, or re-export with lower bitrate and try again. Make sure you respect WhatsApp's 30-second per slide limit. If your clip is longer, split it into parts before uploading. This gets your short live as a status, while avoiding common upload or length issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.